कांग्रेस नेता राहुल गांधी અત્યારે પત્રકાર પરિષદ કરી રહ્યા છે। સીધા આપણે ત્યાં લઈ જઈએ।
मत्था टेक दिया। हमारी जमीन फिंगर 4 तक है। नरेंद्र मोदी ने फिंगर 3 से फिंगर 4 की जमीन, जो हिंदुस्तान की पवित्र जमीन है, वो चाइना को पकड़ा दी है। यह पहली बात है। दूसरी बात, जो स्ट्रेटेजिक एरिया है डेप्सांग प्लेन्स का, जहां चाइना अंदर आया है, उसके बारे में एक शब्द नहीं बोला डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ने। वहां बैठे हुए हैं। गोगरा और हॉट स्प्रिंग्स के बारे में एक शब्द नहीं बोला, वहां बैठे हुए हैं। सच्चाई यह है कि हमारी जो पवित्र जमीन है नरेंद्र मोदी ने चाइना को दी है। यह सवाल है, इसका जवाब दें। अब आपके कोई सवाल हो पूछिए। Look, let's get it straight. First of all, there was no strategic advantage. The Chinese were in our land. The Chinese were in Depsang. They were in Pangong. Our soldiers risked everything they had to go to Kailash ranges. That's where the strategic advantage, if any, arose. Now the Prime Minister has given back the land. Status quo ante is irrelevant. Kailash has been given back. And nothing has happened on the key area which China wants, Depsang Plains. This is absolute 100% cowardice. There is nothing else. The Prime Minister is a coward who cannot stand up to the Chinese. That's the fact. And he is spitting on the sacrifice of our army. That's what he's doing. He's betraying the sacrifice of our army. And nobody in India should be allowed to do it. Nobody in the rest of the world should be allowed to do it. That is the fact. And yesterday the defense minister is giving a little statement. Silent.
રાહુલ ગાંધીએ સીધો મોદી સરકાર પર આક્ષેપ કર્યો અને આપણી જમીન કેમ ચીનને આપી દીધી તેવા સવાલ પણ કર્યા। રોકાય એક બ્રેક માટે આપ